someone asked me why learn Latin before Greek. I guess I said that somewhere, and I do think that. And I thought that I kind of got my answer to that across in my which one is harder, Greek or Latin video, but I guess not. Latin being about a third as difficult as Greek in several ways, especially when it comes to how much to memorize. That's one reason why it's good to learn Latin first, because it takes less effort to gain a comprehensive perspective on Latin grammar in particular, but grammar in general, than it does with Greek. And so you're going to learn Latin quicker at the outset, but then eventually it becomes harder, as described in that other video. Whereas with Greek, it's so daunting with so many forms, it's better to learn it after you learn Latin, because then you're already used to that process of learning verb forms, noun forms, and so on.